Hi everyone, here is a quick video on how to rotate your webcam on a Zoom meeting. So if you're in the classrooms with the new document cameras, you can use them as a webcam. And when you share your video that way, it always defaults to upside down because that's how the document cameras work. And so I'm going to show you how to rotate those. So I'm going to start a new Zoom meeting by going to our niagara-edu.zoom.us. If you're using the link right from MyNU, it'll bring you there automatically. We always want to make sure we're using this website for Zoom and signing in. And since I've already logged in today, it's not prompting me for my password. And then I'm going to host a meeting with my video on. And we'll open that. All right, now that's loaded. You can see that I'm using my document camera. I'm going to flip it up so you can see my face. All right, and you'll notice I'm upside down, right? We don't want to be upside down when we're using the document camera as our webcam. So I'm going to come in here to my video settings. Right next to the Stop Video button, there's a little caret for your menu. And I'm going to go to Video Settings. And it gives me a little preview of what my video looks like. And at the top right, there is the Rotate button. So it always does it 90 degrees. So if I click it twice, then I am right side up. So you can flip your document camera up, rotate it, and then use it as your webcam in a Zoom meeting.